Welcome to this video guys. In this video, I'll show you how you can download and install Steam on your laptop or PC and how you can play games on Steam. First, go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below. You can just click on it and you'll be taken here. Now click on install Steam and your installer will download. Once it has been downloaded, just click on open file. If you're asked do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, just click on yes and you'll see the installer. Now click on next. You can choose any kind of language from here. I'll just choose English and click on next. This is where your Steam will be installed. If you don't have storage left in C drive, you can just click on browse and choose any other directory from here. I'll just install it in the default directory. Just click on install and the installation has started. Let's wait till this is finished. After it has been completed, you'll see this run Steam checkbox. Keep this checked and click on finish and Steam will open. Once Steam is installed, if you are asked of this location settings, you can just click on no. And finally, you will see this dialog pop up that will ask you for your account name. If you have a Steam account, you can just enter your username and your password here and sign in and you'll be logged in. But if you don't have a Steam account, you can just click on this create a free account and this registration form will open up. You can enter your details here and you can register. But since I have a Steam account, I'll just close this and log in with my Steam account. You can just click on sign in and you'll be signed into Steam. If you are signing into this app for the first time, it will send you a code to your email and you'll have to enter that email code. After you have copied and pasted the code from your email, Steam will finally open up. And we are now in Steam. Now you can search for games here. There are some free games that you can play like Sims 4 and see, as you can see, this is free and you can check out different games here. You can check out your games library and yeah, so this is how you can install and play games in Steam. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.